Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a conditional formatting option. Uh, it's very easy to highlight any cell which fulfills a condition. Suppose if I want to highlight this column, select this column and go to conditional formatting, highlight the cell or which contains a text that equal to suppose numbing. It is highlighted. But if what excuse me, what if I want to select the whole row which contains the armband? So there is armband and it should highlight the whole row. So in that condition we cannot do that simple conditional formatting. So let's clear all these rules, okay, and then let's select the entire row, okay, and then let's go to home tab and then conditional formatting. Here we have to do a new rule. We cannot select from here. It's a little bit tricky. So we have to go to new rule and then we have to use this formula. So here I am going to highlight the row which contain yes in the column M. Suppose this is a table where I am recording the activities of the staff who has completed certain tasks. So whenever he completes the certain tasks, I'm going to put yes in column M. So whenever yes is there in M column, that row will be highlighted. So the formula would be search. What we are going to search? Yes. In which column? Column M. So let's put dollar $M starting from 2, right? Yeah. Okay. Then we format it. Let's make it bold. Let's make it color white and fill the color with green. Okay. All right. Okay. So we have already applied the format. Let's apply. See, it is already there. So I am putting here yes. It is highlighted the whole row. If I remove this, it will go away. Again, this person has completed the registration of NPS Lite, so I'm just putting it yes. So it is highlighted like this, like this, like this. So this is how you can easily differentiate who has completed the certain tasks, who has not completed. You can do many other things to differentiate and to find out who has done, but it is giving you a first hand information that by seeing the color you can simply assume that this person has completed the tasks. So this is how you can do. So go to conditional formatting and the formula I'm writing here should be search inverted comma yes, then dollar column name M and starting from the row number 2. Okay, so should be the formula. Note it down, use it in day-to-day way. Thank you.